Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another unboxing review with Tellasis. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this package that arrived to me all the way from China. I bought it from Waytobele. So today is unboxing review from Waytobele. So Waytobele is an online shop I saw on Instagram. Guys, the first time I shopped on Instagram, they did me dirty. They did me dirty. And I said, I'm never gonna shop on Instagram anymore because they are fraudsters, they are scammers. They say one thing and they sell another thing to you. The first product I bought from Instagram was hair. I actually brought out that hair. Look at it. It's about two of them. They were doing promo. They said it's human hair, and then they showed sample of people they were wearing it to, that the closure seamless, as in you don't like, what do they call it, the closure that the very finest closure you can. Sorry, I'm not really a hair person. Okay, like the way they were showing the advert, honestly the hair was everything. So I said, okay, I'm gonna buy it. So I bought two of them. So look what I got. I was really pissed that day, really pissed. So it's not really completely bad because I still wear it. I find a way because I know how to put things together, even the worst things. I know how to put my style together to make it appear really rich and very expensive, even though it's not. Anyways, I still wear it. I figure out a way to wear it, and it looks snatchy when I still wear it. But the thing about this is, apart from the body, that when you take care of the front very well, the body doesn't matter. You will just scream it, comb it, do it, and it's cool. So look at it. Look, it's like the wig my grandma wore back in the days before I was born. Look, that's it. That was what they sent to me, these people. And when they sent me this, there is no return address. So when they send it to you, you cannot return it. You cannot ask for your money. Buy. Once they take your money and give you these products, buy. That's it. Business finished. So I said, no. I'm not gonna shop on Instagram again. But I started seeing this Waytobele popping up on my Instagram feed most often. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna click directly on Instagram. I'm gonna go to their website and buy through their website, and also pay via PayPal, so that if there's anything, I'm gonna be able to chase them via PayPal. So that was how I ended up ordering this. So today I am actually gonna open it. I don't know how it will fit. I don't know if it's exactly what I ordered, that is hair. I don't know what I'm gonna expect, but I'm gonna open it right now, try it on, and all of all, we will see how it is, if truly Instagram sellers have changed, if truly they delivered true to their words what they advertise here. All right, so guys, again, this is exactly what I bought. I bought exactly this color and this style, so plus other ones. So I'm gonna actually try it on now. Let's see how it looks. So this is what I bought. This is it. You see the one that you said, there we go, this is it. And then I got this one, and then I got this one. I'm gonna actually open this one first. Oh, this is it, guys. Oh, I love the neck, so I'm gonna wear it. I don't like the way it smells, but you know, when something like travel past 7 seas and arrive to you, that's how it smells like. I mean, when items that are shipped from abroad comes in, they have this particular smell when you open the bell. That's actually the smell these clothes have. I particularly bought it because of the front, yeah, and I love the fabric, I love the color, and this is size, this is small. This is small. And then I got this one. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. You see, it's got something written on it, something like simply live. They wrote simply live. It's a long cardigan. Oh, I still smells like shipment that travels 7 seas away to get to me. Don't mind me. Okay, I love the fabric too. It's exactly what I am expecting. Yeah, it's exactly what I am expecting. And this is small as well. I ordered the small size. This is small as well. Yeah. And then let's see this one. Whoa, it looks like wool. Is it? Hold on. Hold on. I was expecting it because it was called, is it me or is it me? Because I was expecting a suit material. Wait. What is the product description? Material polyester. Oh my god. Look. Guys. It's like blanket. Look at the fabric. It's like blanket. Is it? Oh my god. I am not expecting to be wearing blankets fabric. Okay, I guess the sewing is exactly what they said it is, but the fabric, I think it's my fault. Or maybe, did I see polyester and expect, I think I was expecting a different kind of polyester, not this, not something that looks like duvet. Like, seriously. Okay, fine. Let's try it on and see how it looks. It's just gonna be magneting everything. Okay. I wasted. Okay, it's a bit loose on me here. It's fine. Usually my pants are like that. It's because my hip line is tinier. Okay, so there we go, guys. There we go. So yes, it fits. Is it nice? You see, it's not really that long. See the legs. So I'm not wearing shoe right now. You can see the length. So I have to pull it down, which if I pull it down, it's no longer gonna look the design. So needs to be pulled up, but the length. So there we go, what I have. So you guys, what do you think? The top I really like, but the pants, no. So this is what we have. 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 Okay. This is how this one is. Yeah, I have no complaint for this one. It's nice. I love it. I absolutely look how the back is. See how the back of this one is. I love this one. I absolutely love. I love the front. I love the design. I love it. I love this one. So you can leave the hand. You can just put it this way. Good. Okay, I go on to, so I put the this completes it. You see, just like this. But it would have been nice if they had put rope, because if they had put rope, it will be easier in case you want to cover a little bit. You can hold it like this, but now there's no rope, so I'm gonna improvise. I'm gonna change the design myself. I like the fact that it has pocket. You can put your hand in the pocket, and off you go, guys. I love this. The only one I don't love is the first one, the suit one, because I feel like it looks like blanket. If you wear it to go out, it will just be collecting everything on the body, and at the end of the day you will look very unkempt by the time you get to where you're going. Yeah, otherwise this extra two, I love. I love everything about them. So comparing this experience with the previous experience in terms of hair, I think it's more difficult to buy hair online than it is to buy clothing online. That's number one. And secondly, I think the mistake of the fabric, maybe it's my fault, because I should have looked deeply, and I didn't actually look at the fabric. I just looked at the fabric and I expected that, oh, polyester should be like suit like, polyester like. I didn't expect it to be like wool like duvet kind of polyester. But I can't even imagine why they think about making wear with that fabric. Like seriously, like I don't even know what they were thinking. How, like, this is gonna be magneting everything. Like, you're gonna be going around with cloth brush to be able to wear this, you know, and you can't really wear this to an occasion because it really looks cheap. It looks really cheap. So it's a no for me. That's it. For the rest of the fabric, it was exactly what I expected it to be, this and this. And for shipping, the shipping is really not funny, because when I was buying it, they said it's gonna arrive in 5 working days. I didn't know it's gonna be coming all the way from China. So I waited. I didn't see anything. In fact, I was about to even write PayPal to say that it seems like these people have duped me, blah blah blah. But when I was about to contact PayPal. I said, okay, let me write them first before contacting PayPal. So I decided to contact them beginning of December. Immediately I wrote them. The day I wrote them, and the next day they came to deliver. I just heard the guy knock, blah, 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 blah. By the time I came down, he's already gone. Dropped the paper stuff from Royal Mail and left. So I had to go pick it up by myself today, and I am unboxing it and I am showing you how it is. So it means that the shipping took like almost a month to get to me. They need to inform people that you are gonna wait maybe from 2 weeks to 4 weeks instead of saying 5 days. All right, this is it for this review. Tell me what you think about this Waytobele clothing haul. Have you ever shopped on Instagram? What is your experience? Did you receive the exact product you bought? Did you get what you were expecting when you shipped it? Was everything smooth and perfect when you were making the order? Please let us know at the comment section. And please, if you have shopped on Instagram before and you really got a good experience, got what you expected, and everything was completely, absolutely fine, please leave us a comment. Tell us about the product and the company, so that anybody that wants to buy that same product will go straight ahead to them. So this is it for this unboxing review, Waytobele unboxing review. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one. One love. Bye bye bye.